Hello guys, how are you? Today we're gonna test the chipset infinix Hot 10 on PUBG Mobile, and you will be shocked by the results because I got so much good results, and we have FPS meter. Right now we have 60 FPS enabled with the help of GFX tools. So I think you can play with GFX tools at 60 FPS, and let me show you my settings. And here we are, graphics setting. It will show you ultra, but it is actually extreme. Anti-aliasing disabled, and this is the settings, and this is the gyro setting. Let me turn a bit more. So it has gyro also. This set has gyroscope, and where is the gyroscope switch? Okay, here is the gyro, always on. And let's go for a TDM match, and here you can see the 60 FPS constantly. I'm shocked by the results. And let's get started. Okay, so we are in the TDM match. So FPS just dropped to 40.
Team match, let's go.
But there is, you can see there is a gyroscope delay, so it's almost unusable gyroscope. Company should have fixed that. The gyroscope delay is there, and there is no fix for that. I am on the latest update, and infinix just can't fix the gyroscope. Here you can see, otherwise the game is running really smooth. And here you can see. Gyroscope almost unusable. You can't. Here you can see the delay. There is so much delay in gyroscope. Like you can see that. So this was the this is it for now. We got 40 constant FPS, and you can get constant 60 FPS also. Let me exit the match and let me show you. Okay, we're gonna exit that. Open up GFX tools, and from here select 60 FPS, select smooth, and rest everything at their defaults. Save, control enable, accept, and just run the game. What the heck? Here you can see 60 FPS. Now it's running with GFX tools, so you can see. But the big wrong thing is gyroscope. You can't use gyroscope on this set almost, because there is so much delay. You can see, so much delay. So we need to fix that, or Infinix need to fix that. Developer needs to come out and fix that annoying bug, because this set is really good in cheap range, like 100 bucks. What the fuck you doing, man? Oh my god, I can't use gyro. Oh, it's unusable right now on this set. So that's it for now, guys. It's a good set under 100 bucks, and it's really cool set in that range, because constant speed 500, and I almost 5200 mAh battery, and that's good for set. That's it for now.